Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new on our channel, please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. So today we will going to talk about on this YouTube channel that how to speak in English. But we will talk about today that how to start thinking in English, means how to think in English. Everyone say that think in English and speak, think in English and speak. So how will you be able to think in English? It is not as possible as you think, but by switching off your mother tongue. You will have to switch off your mother tongue, means you will have to start stopping. You have to start stopping thinking in your mother tongue, which you do. So you should start thinking in English. But how it will be possible? I will tell you the practical way to prove that you will start thinking English. So the first thing I would like to tell you today is reading. You should start reading every day. You should read newspaper, magazine or any other book, English book. So start speaking in English. Is a first journey in your speaking English journey. Reading is a first step. If you really want to think in English, you really want to speak in English. So I would like to tell you that the first thing, you have to read in English. You can read newspaper, you can read book or the Kindle or your magazine. Second thing I would like to tell you is most important, listening. Listen the English media. Go there, switch on your television or your mobile on a YouTube and just listen the English media, because the people over there, those who are speaking in English, are well qualified and they speak really well English, so that you can listen and you will be more comfortable in English to listen, and your ears will adapt English as a foreign language, so that you can start thinking in English. Another way is that writing. Writing also play a more important role in your speaking English journey. So write at least 500 words every day. Another thing, record your own voice and video. Make your mobile phone, whatever you have, Apple or Samsung mobile phone, just buy a stand from market and just make your own video and watch your video and listen your own voice, so that you can correct your own voice and you can correct your own way of expressions. So this thing is really gonna important in your speaking English journey. And you can do one more exercise also. Stand in front of the mirror and try to speak in English. If you really want to speak in English, so you have to start speaking in English. You have to make the errors, because effective thing will be happen when you will start taking initiative. So start taking initiative and try to speak in English. So this thing is really gonna help you in your speaking English journey. Another thing I would like to tell you is that you should have to start speaking with your friends or your family, so that you can also correct yourself and you can improve your confidence level. So these things are really much important in your speaking English journey. Another thing I would like to tell you, the advantage of speaking English. The first thing is that there are so many jobs which you can do. You can be an English communicator also. You can be a communication skills trainer if you are good in English, or you can do a job in MNC or the corporate sector, where the communication skills really matter a lot. If you are good in English, so it's a proven that you can get a good job easily, because you can qualify the interview because you are good in English. And another thing also, advantage of learning English, if you really want to go for study for overseas, like for Australia, Canada, England, or United States of America, wherever you want to go, you have to qualify IELTS and TOEFL examination. TOEFL for the Australia and IELTS for the Canada. In USA, the criteria is different, but there are so many public university in United States of America, those who provide the scholarship if you qualify the exam of GRE or the GMAT. So this is another thing, but English is a must. Like if you go for the Canada, so Canada is why a student choose a lot, because of the PR process. You can easily get the PR in the Canada, and there are also so many public university in the Canada, where you can apply for education for your masters or for your graduate or the undergraduate program. If you are good in a IELTS score, so you can get admission in a public university and you can secure your seat over there. So this is the main advantages of learning in English, which will open a new path for you in your life. So this will improve you, and if you do these steps, so you will start thinking English automatically and you will be a good speaker one day. I hope you will like the video for today. If you like the channel, please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. Thank you so much. Thanks for today.